Hello, this is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Fluid Art Studio with an oxo omelet turning flip and fold spatula I'm going to use to swipe some colors, and they're going to be neutrals, metallics from Colourarte mostly. And I haven't done this exactly before, so I'm basically trying to make a background. We'll see what happens. This is Indian Spice. I believe this is a Prizm pour, but it's not impossible that it could be Primary Element, and I'm just not remembering. It's been a long time since I mixed it, and it's almost time to mix some more. This is Black Iris. That's a Prizm pour for sure. I'm out of true silver, so I'm using an iridescent silver from Decoart. And I don't think I'm going to fill the canvas right out of the gate, because I need to figure out what I want to do. This is Tuscan gold. Which I kind of prefer over a copper in this case, but I have some saffron and Mayan gold mixed, and I want to see how close they are. They're not that close. Kind of want to take the top right off of the Indian Spice. Maybe if I take the little clot off the top, it'll come out easier. That's a lot better, actually. I'm going to go back to the silver. Actually, I'm going to use a little Chantilly lace. And I'm going to keep going, and I'm going to go back again to the silver. And I will try a little bit more of the combination of saffron, Prizm pour with Mayan gold, and other. I'm being called to the Mayan gold. Can't help it. Oh, I thought that was a paint chip, but it's not. Mayan gold is one of my favorites. Now generally, if I was going to do a swipe, I'd have put a layer of like maybe Amsterdam and Floetrol GAC 800 mixture down there. But really, I just want to see how far this will go. I love my colors. Colors are great. I'm wondering if I want some Payne's Gray. I'm going to stick with the Black Iris, I think. I want to try some more Chantilly lace, and I'm going to put some Chantilly lace right there. It will probably create a resist. I may regret that decision. Going back to the Indian Spice, is that what it is? Yes. And come back again with the Tuscan gold. And this is my cell activator, and the recipe will be under the video. I kind of want to just put it in a dish, but I'm going to try and flip it. As long as it's open, it'll work. Looking kind of thin today, but it doesn't matter. Good thing I've got some tweezers handy somewhere. I tend to forget that older paint, that's a bubble, not a thing. I tend to forget that older paint has stuff in it. Try it right on the canvas. Trying to keep the colors separate is a challenge. There's no doubt about that. Also, making them cover means you got to move pretty slow. I expect some mixed colors like those. I don't think it was a really bad idea to put the cell activator on the canvas. Although that last stroke was not a genius stroke. I'm not really minding how the cell activator looks, but I don't think I can get it to go the whole way. Still, might as well try, since it's supposed to be a background after all. Get some drippage. I suppose I could have started with a few colors and put the combination of Mayan Gold and Saffron over the top. I might try and tip that down a little bit. I'm trying to fill in this one gap over here. Which is not going till now. Alright, must be time to put some more paint down. That's the Tuscan Gold again. I'm going to definitely make some more of this mixture. I ought to figure out what it's the most like. And use some of that, but I haven't really figured that out yet. There are a few colors that are not coming to mind right off the top of my head. Oh, I'm grabbing the wrong bottle. Wow. Okay. That's not going to cover right there, huh? Okay, be that way. Yes, I just knocked my fingernail right into the painting. This is kind of fun, giving myself permission. I mean, it's sort of like permission to fail. Because it doesn't matter if it's going to be a background. I still got some heavy spots. I'm kind of tempted to try some white. But I love the gold so much. I really don't want to give up yet. Let's just do this. Whoa, that's my head. Excuse me. I'm not sure what I'm going to do about that big gap over there, but I guess I can always add more paint. And I'm probably going to tip in a second, because I can. It's not a lot of cells, but they're good cells. Good colors too. Once I get this strip over this area, maybe I can tip it down this way. Do I have a straw somewhere? I must. I might not want to do, I might want to keep this as something other than a background. You knew that was possible. If I quit knocking bottles over, it'd be really good. I'm hoping that I have enough paint on here to maybe do some cell activator that's not gold. So I kind of feel like I should turn it around and work on it from the other direction. That looks like an awesome sky. Let's see if I can... What did I do with that straw? There it is. I mean, I really suppose there is always tomorrow to come back and add some more paint, but I'd really prefer not to have to do that. I love how the gold cell activator worked on the silver. It's fantastic. Maybe I'll do that. Just want to move things a little bit. And maybe I'll go take advantage of the fact that there's gaps. Like black iris after the iridescent silver from Decoart. I might tip that down toward the edge before I try and swipe. A little more Tuscan gold, I think. I thought about using the Aztec bronze, and I think it would be nice. Now, where's my little edge catcher? Just to let the paint go down to the edge. So I can swipe it from the edge, not lose anything. Oh, I almost lost something. Okay, I've got a lot of dripping. I really didn't feel like wasting that paint. I'm going to use some black, I think, with the gold. Although the white is calling me also. So, I don't know yet. I want to just take this paint right off there and use some of it right here. After a while, the state of the paint is such that if you touch it with the spatula, you'll just pull it off. And I'd prefer not to have that happen right now. Okay, I'm doing it. I'm pulling out the white because there's just enough Chantilly lace in the middle to... So black, white, and gold. I thought about purple for a second, but I don't want to introduce a new color. That's not a bad thing. It makes me question whether I want some more though. And I'm going for it. Try not to drop the spatula in anything. Reminds me of picture jasper. I bet there's some tippability in there. I'm on the dangerous end. Scrape all that paint away. I gotta remember I can use my spatula for texture if I want. Oh, there's something in there. Well, I don't really have 2 minutes left. I really have quite a bit of paint dripping down, so I'm going to take that off with my fingers, put it back in right along the edge. Oh, look at that. Oh well, that's the perfect excuse to do something else. In this case, it's grab some white. I have silver cell activator too. That might be kind of neat. Alright, I suppose I should shimmer this at you in case I decide to keep it just exactly as it is, because it's pretty cool, really. I'm going to torch and look for bubbles. That's pretty nice. It doesn't really have a focal point, but it looks like, as I was saying, take care of each other, take care of yourselves, and thank you for joining me. Please give me a thumbs up. Thank you for sharing my videos. Thank you for watching longer. It speaks to the YouTube algorithm. My email address is easpb and the word gallery spelled out at gmail.com if you'd like to inquire about taking a class with me at the house in Spring Hill, Florida, one-on-one, or purchasing an artwork. Linked here you'll find promo codes for color art products and pixel paint designs, Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links, a couple of my websites, my Amazon link. Volumes 1 and Volumes 2 of my books are on the Amazon link, Because I Can and Unlimited Possibilities, the first and the second 100 videos I made for YouTube. Questions are welcome and encouraged. My community board will show you tomorrow's video at around 2 p.m. hopefully. There's something else. Thank you. Thank you to all my patrons. Thank you to the members. Thank you to those of you who use PayPal to make a donation to keep me painting. Thank you so much. I appreciate you guys endlessly, and you inspire me always. My paint pouring recipes below show more, and I have 34 playlists of 100 videos each, and everything's organized by topic and genres. If you need anything, don't forget, ask questions. It's fine. Thank you for being here. Bye for now. Priscilla out.